Have you ever heard about Triphala? Recently on the channel, we taught you how to use Triphala to improve the health of your gums. Have you watched it yet? Click on the suggested video to learn more. Triphala is an Ayurvedic powder supplement originally from India and that has been used for thousands of years. It is made by combining the powders of 3 fruits, Amalaki, Haritaki, and Bibhitaki. With many qualities, Triphala is beneficial to many health disorders, especially the ones related to gastrointestinal tract. Triphala is a medicinal compound that is mainly known for acting as a mild laxative and being one of the best natural products to clean the colon. Besides, it also helps improve digestion and food assimilation. Contributes to weight loss. Triphala stimulates the metabolism and encourages the digestive system to work efficiently so that the absorbed fats can be consumed adequately without storing unnecessary fat in the body. Good for the bloodstream. Triphala powder purifies the blood and improves blood circulation, contributing to correctly cleaning the lungs and liver. Because of that, it is good for many diseases related to the liver and lungs such as jaundice and bronchitis. Improves the skin. Triphala has some benefits that work on skin issues, removing dead skin cells and rejuvenating the cells on the skin to bring back its natural glow. It also helps correct many diseases like sunburns, scars, or rashes. Helps with brain health. Using Triphala can help a lot of students since it makes the brain sharper and more attentive, which also contributes to nervousness and anxiety. Also, it strengthens brain cells, improving memory and understanding. Improves sight. Did you know that Triphala can also help with your vision? It is very beneficial for all types of eye diseases, such as cataract, progressive myopia, conjunctivitis, and even glaucoma. Besides all these benefits, Triphala also cleans and detoxes all the organs in the body. Thanks to its strong antioxidant power, it helps reduce the oxidative pressure on the body, which contributes to the general health. And if all these benefits weren't enough, many health experts believe that Triphala has potential anti-inflammatory properties that could help in cases of arthritis and also in cancer prevention. Are you enjoying the video so far? Then give us your opinion to let us know that we are contributing to you and your health. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up to help the channel. Consuming Triphala every morning helps detox the body and restore the integrity of the digestive tract, thanks to the perfect balance between its astringent, healing, emollient, soothing, digestive, and cleansing properties. Today it can be easily found as capsules or tablets with specific dosages for many different treatments. The Ayurvedic medicine classifies Triphala as a rasayana, a Sanskrit term for medications that improve the general health and prolong life. But before you start taking Triphala on your own, you must be aware of the rules and side effects of this herbal mixture. Pregnant women must avoid Triphala as it may favor spontaneous abortion. Diabetic people must avoid it as it can affect blood sugar levels. The excessive consumption of Triphala may cause dehydration, diarrhea, gas, bloating, and issues in the gastrointestinal tract. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.